following is an urgent weather message from the National Weather Service, issued at 04:21 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The National Weather Service in Emporium has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Alpine County in southwestern Hyptonia until 4:45 p.m. At 4:21 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing 60 miles per hour wind gusts and small hail moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and small hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Seek shelter immediately in an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure